Deuteronomy chapter 3. Then we turned and went up the road to Bashan, and Og the king of Bashan came out against us with all his people to fight at Edrei. Adonai said to me, "Don't be afraid of him, for I have handed him, all his people, and his territory over to you. You will do to him as you did to Sihon king of the Amorite who lived at Heshbon." So Adonai our God also handed over to us Og the king of Bashan with all his people, and we defeated him until he had no one left. At that time we captured all his cities. There was not one city of theirs that we didn't capture. There were 60 cities, all the region of Argob, the kingdom of Og and Bashan, all of them fortified cities with high walls, gates, and bars, in addition to a great number of unwalled towns. We completely destroyed them, as we did with Sihon, king of Heshbon, annihilating every city, men, women, and little ones. But we took all the livestock, along with the spoil from the cities, as booties for ourselves. At that time we captured the territory of the two kings of the Amorite, east of the Jordan, between the Arnon Valley and Mount Hermon. The Hermon, which the Zidonian called Sirion, and the Amorite called Sinir. All the cities of the plain, all Gilad and all Bashan, as far as Salcah and Edrei, cities of the kingdom of Og and Bashan. Og, king of Bashan, was the last survivor of the Rephaim. His bed was made of iron. It is still in Rabbah with the people of Ammon. It was 9 cubits long and 4 cubits wide, using the normal cubit, 13.5 by 6 feet. Of this land that we took possession of then, I assigned to the Reuveni and the Gadi the territory extending from Aroer along the Arnon Valley, together with half the hill country of Gilad, including its cities. The rest of Gilad and all Bashan, the kingdom of Og, I gave to the half-tribe of Manasseh. The whole region of Argob, together with all of Bashan, form what is called the land of Rephaim. Yair the son of Manasseh took all the region of Argob as far as the border with Geshuri and the Makati. He named his whole area, including Bashan, after himself. It remains Havot Yair to this day. I gave Gilad to Machir, and to the Reuveni and the Gadi I gave the territory from Gilad to the Arnon Valley, with the middle of the valley as the border, as far as the Yabok River, which is the border with the people of Ammon. The Arava too, and the Jordan being its border, from Kinneret to the sea of Arava, the Dead Sea, at the foot of the slopes of Pisgah to the east. At that time I gave you this order: Adonai your God has given you this land to possess, but all of you who are fit to fight must cross over, armed, ahead of your brothers, the people of Israel. Your wives, your little ones, and your livestock, I know you have much livestock, will stay in your cities, which I have given you, until Adonai allows your brothers to rest, as he allowed you, and they too took possession of the land Adonai your God is giving them to the west side of the Jordan. At that point you will return, each man to his own possession, which I have given you. Also at that time I gave this order to Yehoshua: Your eyes have seen everything that Adonai your God has done to these two kings. Adonai will do the same to all the kingdoms you encounter when you cross over. Don't be afraid of them, because Adonai your God will fight on your behalf. Then I pleaded with Adonai: Adonai Elohim, you have begun to reveal your greatness to your servant and your strong hand. For what other God is there in heaven or on earth that can do the works and mighty deeds that you do? Please let me go across and see the good land on the other side of the Jordan, that wonderful hill country, and the Lebanon. But Adonai was angry with me on account of you, and he didn't listen to me. Adonai said to me, Enough from you. Don't say another word to me about this matter. Climb up to the top of Pisgah, and look out to the west, north, south, and east. Look with your eyes, but you will not go across this Jordan. However, commission Yehoshua, encourage him, and strengthen him, for he will lead this people across and enable them to inherit the land that you will see. So we stayed in the valley across from Bet-Peor.